Hello students! In our last video, we learnt about respiratory system in humans. And in this video, we will learn how the process of breathing happens through our respiratory system. But before that, let us first observe this experiment to understand the mechanism of breathing. For that, we require a plastic bottle, 2 balloons, a straw, and an elastic band. First, carefully cut the bottle to about half the size. You'll have to cut it from the border end, such that the bottom of the bottle is also open. Put a straw into the neck of the other balloon and secure tightly with an elastic band. But do not tighten so much that you crush the straw. Take care that passage in the straw should not be blocked. It is very important that air must flow through it. So to test this, blow a little air through the straw and see if the balloon inflates. Put the balloon with the straw into the neck of the bottle and seal the opening of the bottle so that there is no gap. You can use modeling clay for this purpose as well. Tie a knot in the neck of the balloon so that it is closed and cut off the fat end. Stretch the balloon around the bottom of the plastic bottle as shown. Hold the bottle and pull the knot of the balloon at the bottom and observe what happens. We see that the balloon inside the bottle inflates, that is, it swells. And as you let go the knot at the bottom, the balloon deflates, that is, it blows out. Now the question is, why is this balloon inside the bottle getting inflated or deflated as and when we move knot up and down? Take a second, pause the video and think about it. During the experiment, we saw that the balloon inside the bottle inflates. As the knotted balloon is pulled, it creates more space. That is, it reduces the air pressure inside the bottle. Air then comes down through the straw from outside and fills the balloon inside, making it inflate. When you let go of the knot, the extra space no longer exists and air pressure inside the bottle increases. So the air from the balloon is expelled out, making it deflate. Now student, during the experiment, you must have observed that as the knotted balloon is pulled up, it creates more space. That is, it reduces the air pressure inside the bottle as compared to air pressure outside, which is why air then comes down through the straw from high pressure to the low pressure, that is, from outside, and fills the balloon inside, which is at low pressure, making it inflate. And when we let go of the knot, the extra space no longer exists, and so air pressure inside the bottle increases as compared to air pressure outside. And thus, air rushes from high pressure to low pressure, this time which is from inside the balloon to the outside. And so, the air from balloon is expelled out, making it deflate. Now students, the space inside the bottle is analogous to the chest cavity. That is, we can compare the space inside the bottle to the space inside our chest cavity. We can compare balloon to our lung. The balloon sheet fitted at the lower end of the bottle is analogous to the diaphragm of our body. So students, from this experiment, can you guess the principle on which our respiratory system works? take a pause and think about it. Yes, you are right. Just like our balloon experiment, breathing also works on the principle of difference in air pressure inside and outside our body. The movement of air between the atmosphere and the lungs is known as ventilation or breathing. We can say that breathing is the mechanical process which results in the passage of air in and out of the lungs. Breathing involves two phases, inspiration and expiration. Inspiration, also called as inhalation, is the movement of atmospheric air into the lungs. And expiration, also called as exhalation, is the movement of air from the lungs to the external atmosphere. Just like the balloon experiment, inspiration occurs when the pressure inside the lungs is less than the atmospheric pressure. Likewise, expiration takes place when the pressure within the lungs is higher than the atmospheric pressure. But how does this air come and go in and out of lungs? Do lungs have muscles that relax and contract just like heart? We will see in our next video.